20 qualities that make people attractive. Attraction is a mesmerizing concept that captures our attention and wonder. It's a relative idea often interpreted differently from one person to another. While numerous factors play a role in shaping attractiveness, some qualities and behaviors consistently draw people in and make them appear attractive. From self-confidence to effective communication, from the courage to take bold actions to having life goals, these traits and behaviors can define attractiveness. In this article, we delve into some of these factors that contribute to attractiveness and explore their role in catching people's attention. We also highlight the role of kindness as a fundamental factor in attractiveness, showing how it can pull individuals in and enhance human connections. In this article, we seek to uncover the secrets of attractiveness and examine the role of kindness in this process. From self-confidence to alignment in thoughts and actions, this article will help you showcase your best self in attracting the attention of others. These qualities and behaviors that can make people appear attractive include 1. Self-confidence. Individuals who exude self-assurance are often deemed more attractive. 2. Self-esteem. Those who have confidence in their abilities and capabilities tend to be more attractive. 3. Smiles. A warm and friendly smile can draw people in. 4. Kindness. Kind individuals generally appear attractive to the general public. 5. Taking bold actions. Those who regularly venture into new and daring experiences are often more attractive. 6. Conversation skills. The ability to communicate and engage in meaningful dialogue can make people appealing. 7. Personal grooming. Personal hygiene, appropriate clothing, and a good appearance can make individuals more attractive. 8. Positivity. People with a positive attitude and a cheerful demeanor are typically more appealing. 9. Sensitivity. The ability to show empathy and compassion can enhance your attractiveness. 10. Courage. Undertaking daring actions and embracing risk can attract others. 11. Motivation. Individuals with clear life goals and the commitment to pursue them are seen as attractive. 12. Creativity. The ability to generate and propose new ideas often enhances attractiveness. 13. Supportiveness. Expressing appreciation for others and providing support can increase your appeal. 14. Positive thinking. People with a positive mindset and a cheerful demeanor are usually more attractive. 15. Adaptability. The ability to cope with change and handle challenges can boost your attractiveness. 16. Effective speaking. Those who communicate confidently and powerfully are certainly appealing. 17. Discipline. Time management and commitment to objectives can contribute to attractiveness. 18. Having life goals. Individuals with meaningful life goals often come across as more attractive. 19. Being helpful. The ability to assist others and offer support can generate attractiveness. 20. Consistency. Alignment between thoughts, words, and actions can increase attractiveness. In the end, attractiveness is not solely based on one's physical appearance, but also on their behaviors, values, and mental and interpersonal skills.